Okay, I've created the rest of the variables. Let's see if they work. I go refresh and refresh the page. Let's see the data. Variables. Okay, gender works, message works, name works, newsletter works, email works, country works. All right, so it seems just fine. So now the next thing is that I will have to create a GTM trigger, which will be based on the event that is triggered by the basic tag. So it's a custom event. The event name is, let's see, it's here, from submission. From submission. And if you want, you can make some rules around it. So for example, I can go only if email contains this, only then I will trigger it. In our case, this is not necessary because this form by itself has this kind of limitations. But if you want, you can create those kind of rules. Right, I save it. And now I will have to create the next tag, the tag that will trigger, for example, sending the event to user page. Now we have everything ready. So I go events, just so that you can see the basic code. Yes. And okay, now here is the basic code for triggering an event. I only need this part. Moment. Here I do new tag. Oh, sorry, it's actually new tags. Create a new tag and call it engage event form. Oh, sorry, I'm still in. Finish the tag and it goes something like this. So I can call it submission and name equals name. And those curly braces, they mean it's a GTM variable. And I want to trigger this event on form submission, because when the form submission triggers, it means that the data is already in the variables. All right, so save it, and let's hope that it works. Refresh. Because as you could see, let's see when this page loads. Yeah, the user engage is already implemented here. So let's find this user that I'm currently. Okay, I think it's this one. Yeah, so I think it's this one. I can go here and all right, let's paste some data here. Again, in this event, in this particular event, I only put the value from the name attribute, so we don't have to worry about the remaining fields. Let's see what happens. As you can see, the event form submission tag has been fired, and it contains the attribute name equal to value left. So when I go to user engage, as you can see, the value is here, and left is the field from the form. So this works perfectly. I can, of course, put other attributes in here, but I think you get the basic idea how you can do it yourself. Basically, you just put comma and other fields. So for example, email. That's it. And the second attribute will be sent to user engage. So we're almost done. The only thing is that this tag only sends data about the event of the user, but not the attribute of the user. And we'll try to do that in the next video.